One of the cool things about blockchains is now we've got programmable money, and so we can program our values into our money. We can build economies that match the values of the people that have built them. I think that that's really an incredible thing. And it's a double-edged sword too, because if your values are malignant, then you could build a Ponzi scheme. My name is Kevin Owocki. I am one of the co-founders of Gitcoin. Gitcoin helps the Web3 ecosystem fund what matters. We've delivered $65 million worth of funding to public goods and other positive sum projects through 5 million unique transactions to about 5,000 different projects. So we're really just helping people allocate capital on chain to the causes that matter most to them. I'm really focused on how do we build Protopian crypto communities. Protopia means it gets better every quarter than it was the last quarter. It gets better every month than it was the last month. So as opposed to utopia, which is something that's like a far off, dreamy, better world, Protopia is just iterating towards a better world. And an important thing is that you and I can both see that it's getting better, and we get more faith in the system as we move it forward. There's so many beautiful causes out there in the world, and by building software that takes in the opinions of the people that are in these communities and spits out funding to the projects that matter, we can build funding infrastructure that's relative to the communities that it serves. And so one community might care a lot about open source software and having digital infrastructure that's accessible and fair to them. And some people might care about biodiversity or climate in their local community, and our funding infrastructure can serve both of those causes equally. So it's really a very powerful thing to be able to use blockchains and on-chain capital allocation to fund what matters, because it can fund a plethora of 21st century native problems in an internet native way. So we're upgrading the infrastructure of humanity to fund what matters in the 21st century and do it in a scalable, precise, democratic way, and that's really exciting to me. Funding the Commons has created a community of people who care about the commons that come from all different walks of life in all different parts of the world. One of the most fun things about funding the Commons is just sharing ideas with people who have similar values but are from different parts of the world, and it's just sort of like the energy that's created by all these different people bouncing off of each other is very generative for partnerships and for friendships that are going to last a long time. So I think you should call it Funding the Commons, because it's a lot of fun. That one better make it in, I hope so.